Hello, take position on HMAP system in Olympia-Lab. It's our goal now to move on the system, but to increase our assets, financial assets, digital assets, to develop and move on as a master of game in MOG, Legends of Interaction platform. So to do that, we need to have HMAP coins, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to buy HMAP coin with USDT. Okay, it's very simple. We have different platforms to do that. We have a big promotion right now to buy HMAP, so you can do it alone or you can do it with your team and your uplines in the blockchain, this digital world. Big operation, more profits for all the users. Okay, and right now we have different promotions on Olympia-Lab, so you can use Bybit. In the video description just down, you can find a link to connect on Bybit platform. Open your account, send the documents, follow the steps, and when you feel that you can do this use of USDT to buy HMAP. Any difficulties you have, YouTube channel, to some technical tutorial about that. Let's check together to buy 20 HMAP coin. Okay, so I gonna use not Quartz coin, that's possible, or in Bitcoin, that's the bridge, in Ethereum or Escudo. Okay, that's our bridge in Jumbo Line. You can use that to buy HMAP too, or right now for the tutorial we're gonna use the USDT. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT or USDC. These two are equal, okay, but we use USDT to be sure that it's not volatile, so the price is always the same. Okay, let's connect the network, TRC20, or I gonna choose BEP20 to Bybit connection. So we have the USDT amounts, the full amount of USDT you must send to the wallet. You copy the wallet, that's the internal wallet from the company. Copy that and move on to the app Bybit to put the right amount. Okay, you need to put the right amount of USDC you want to send to the wallet to be sure that the system will receive that amount and give you the good amount in HMAP. So 1176.475, but the 5 is not running, so we have only two numbers after the dot, so 48, but I'm gonna put 50 to be sure that the good amount is arriving. Okay, so 1176.50. This is not a fixed amount. Okay, you must check every operation the good amount in USDT. This is just to inform you and to share the information with you. Operation is done in the blockchain, that's okay, between my wallet in Bybit and the wallet from the company. Now switch on Olympia-Lab platform and you have the button, I make the payment, and in few seconds, because to connect the information from the blockchain to the platform Olympia-Lab, if we have many users, that's a little bit longer, but the operation will be connect to your account Olympia-Lab and you will receive this screen image, operation done. Okay, successful. So you can move to resource on the menu on the left side of the page and you will see your HMAP credited in your wallet, internal wallet, and that's done. Success. See you soon. Bye bye.